Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sarthak Commerce Wala. Today in this video I'm going to discuss basically that how well the questions are going to come within your question paper of financial accounting. So the previous two videos were based on first theory portion and second was on the most important topic. But in this video I'm going to discuss that what are the most important subtopics which you have to do for getting nice marks within your financial accounting exam. And in this video I'm going to discuss more descriptively and I'm going to break down each and every unit that how the question will be coming within your financial accounting examination. So stay tuned to the video till then. Let's get started. So first of all, the first thing which will come within your examination of financial accounting, that is the theory question. See, all the theory questions which are the most important one, I actually make a video on the most 20 important theoretical question. If you didn't watch it, go and watch that because that is one of the most important video for covering the theoretical portion of financial accounting, and there is no need to cover anything other than all those 20 questions which I mentioned within that video. And even I had also given some most of the important topics by which you can study the theory portion of financial accounting. Now let's get start from the second one, which is final account. Now within final account, of course you all know that you will get a question of making a trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. But what are the most important adjustment which you have to do? Because I know there is very less time now till your examination and you cannot do each and everything. Therefore I bring here the most important adjustments on the basis of last 5 years question paper and what are those adjustments with repeated within your previous year question papers of financial accounting. These are the four one. First is closing stock, second is depreciation, third adjustment is on PDD, provision for doubtful debt, and fourth is on proprietor. These are the four most important adjustments which were coming from last year question papers within your financial accounting, within your final account question specifically. PDD and depreciation is very general, it is always going to come, and even on closing stock as well. So whether you are not doing any other adjustment, but you have to do all these four adjustments because these are the most important one from your paper point of view. So I am just breaking down the most important things and most limited thing which you have to do previously before one day of your examination. Okay, now let's jump onto the NPO. In NPO, you all know that mainly income and expenditure account and the balance sheet is going to come, which you have to make within your financial accounting exam. But in income and expenditure account, there are some adjustments which come within the examination. And from the last year question papers evaluation, I found that there are some of the common adjustments which repeated a lot, and there are some adjustments which are easy for you all to do at this point of time, respecting to the span of time which you have for your preparation of the financial accounting examination. In which first is calculation of subscription. It is very important for the BCom program students, but I'm not sure that it will come for the BCom honors student. It will come, but majorly within the BCom program. Maybe can also come within the BCom honors financial accounting exam as well. Sports material, stationery, miscellaneous expense. Stock is very important from both of the courses point of view, like it is important for BCom program and BCom honors as well. And outstanding and prepaid related adjustment will can be appear within your examination as well, which is important for both BCom program and BCom honors student. Okay, so these are some very selective adjustment which I actually observed from last year's question paper of financial accounting, which were repeatedly coming within your financial accounting examination. Okay, now let's jump on to the branch accounting. Within the branch accounting, I actually observed one thing that majorly from last 5 year or 4 year question papers, there was a trend that you are not going to get a direct branch accounting question, which means you don't have to make the branch account directly. They generally give you to make branch stock account, branch debtor account, branch adjustment account, and branch expense account. These three are the most important ones. Generally, what I saw within the last year question papers, that these three accounts are very mandatory, which the examiner is going to ask within your question paper. See, this also depends upon whether you are a BCom program student and BCom honors student. There are two types of questions that are the most super hit question and that have most higher probability of coming within your examination, and that can be whether all these four accounts within one question of 18 marks, and these have higher chances to come within your examination of financial accounting. Now let's talk about the most, according to me, because when I was in my semester first, according to me, the most difficult chapter, that is departmental accounting. In departmental accounting, majorly for the BCom honor student, I have a very strong gut feeling that you will be getting the two department type question, in which you get two departments and you have to do departmental accounting for both the departments separately. So this is a very actually repeating question within BCom honors course, but I think so that for the BCom program students, of course it can become even in the BCom program students as well, but generally for the BCom program student, the simple question is going to come from departmental accounting, and there is nothing too much to do experiment with within the departmental accounting unit. So I don't think so that there is a lot to do so with this particular chapter. Okay, now these are two small practical questions, and according to me and on the basis of the evaluation of last year question papers, I think so that AS9 have higher probability of coming within the BCom honors financial accounting exam specifically or specially. Why? Because I looked at the previous year examination, and almost in 3 or 4 examination of the previous year, AS9 had come repeatedly. So I think so that BCom honors students specifically, they have to do AS9. It can either come in theory or in practical question as well. And I don't want that you all students have to leave this much small topics for the practical question in which you can maybe score your full marks. Because departmental and branch accounting, I am saying it again that they are those kinds of topic that even if you are studying well about both of the topics, you are not sure that whether you will be going to score full marks. But in which topics you can score full marks, you don't have to leave them. And according to me, those are two topics: AS9, in which you have to find out the revenue, and AS10, by which you have to do the calculation of depreciation. So AS9 and AS10 are important for both BCom program and BCom honors student. AS9 is more relevant from the perception of BCom honors student. Okay, that's all for this video. I'm also uploading the previous year question papers in the further video, so stay tuned to the video and best of luck for your exam.
Ooh.